Why does your scanner show the P2373 engine code? What does it mean? P2373 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel volume regulator B control circuit high. This engine code indicates fuel volume regulator B control circuit high. This code signifies a malfunction in the fuel volume regulator and suggests that the engine control module is not receiving the proper signals from it. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty fuel volume regulator, wiring issues, injector problems, software updates or incorrect calibration. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Mercedes-Benz. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.